So today's lesson, we're going to be multiplying two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. So for example, 46 multiplied by 7. Now here is a precise mathematical vocabulary that you need for today's lesson. So first is that word multiplication, or to multiply, or to make a number bigger by a certain amount. So for example, 4 times bigger, we would multiply by 4. Another way of multiplying is repeated addition. You could add that number over and over until you've done it, say, 7 times. But multiplication is a shortcut for repeated addition, for adding a lot. Then there are 2 methods we're going to be using today. One is the formal method for multiplication, and the other is extended method. Now, I'll talk more about that within the video, but with the extended method, you work downwards and then you add the numbers up at the end. With the formal method, you work sideways and you make exchanges, another word which I'll come to later on. And next is the word calculation. So calculations are when you're adding, or you're subtracting, or you're multiplying, or you're dividing. Those are all calculations. Then the word to mentally calculate. This is to calculate things in your head. So without using any formal methods, but you can use some informal jottings along the way to help you. Then that word exchanges. Now we use exchanges when we were adding, but we also use exchanges when we are multiplying, especially within the formal method. So exchanging, for example, I might exchange 10 ones for 1 10, and so on. And finally, that word partitioning, which you've heard a lot recently. So if I partition a number, I break it up into its place value. So for example, the number 353, I'd break it up into a 300, a 50, and a 3. So that is today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you work well, and we look forward to seeing your work today.